Simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations. Equations with two unknown quantities. We have learned to solve equation with one unknown quantity, but sometimes we have to solve equation with more quantities. If we have to solve that kind of equation, there should be two equations. These two equations together form a pair of simultaneous equations. Elimination method. When we meet a couple of equations, we should identify the eliminate method. 2x plus y equal 8. X plus y equal 5. Consider these two equations. If try subtract the second equation from the first, we find that y terms disappears but x terms does not. Here we have taken 2x plus y equal 8 as the first equation, x plus y equal 5 as the second equation. Then second equation has subtracted from the first equation. Then when we can take x equal 10. Then we should match that value to the first equation. Then we can find y equal 8 minus 6, y equal 2. Consider these two equations. X minus 2y equal 6, 4x plus 2y equal 14. If try add the two equations, we find that y terms disappears but x terms does not. X minus 2y equal 6 is the first equation. 4x plus 2y equal 14 is the second equation. Then I have added these two equations. So y terms disappears, then x value we can take as 4, x equal 4, and match x equal 4 to first equation, we can take the y value as minus 2. Hard eliminations. Equations are not so easy always. Here consider these two equations. 2x plus 3y equal 4. 4x plus y equal minus 2. Here we can't identify same terms, so we have to make them. If we can multiply second equation by 3, we can take same terms from the two equations. Second equation multiplied by 3, we can take new equation. That means the third equation we can take as 12x plus 3y equal minus 6. Now we have to subtract third equation from the first equation. Then we can see y to y we can cut. Then x value we can take as x equal minus 1. Matching to that value to the first equation, we can take the y value as 2. Now we are going to learn how to take graphical solution of simultaneous equations. Consider these two equations. X minus 2y equal minus 2, 3x minus 2y equal 2. Here you can see both of the equation we can identify two unknown quantities. We can solve these two equations and take an answer, but making graphic graph and plotting the lines on the graph, we can find the x and y values. First, we should make two tables to the lines. For the two equation, I have created two separate tables, and also I have found x values and y values. Now we can plot that two lines on a graph, on a coordinate grid. Here you can see I have plotted that two lines on a coordinate grid. At the point where two lines cross, the values of x and y are the same for both lines. So they are the solution of the pair of equation. Here we can identify the point, and also according to that point we can take x value and y value. X equal 2, y equal 2. In this video we have learned how to solve simultaneous equations using two methods. Thank you very much.